not so expensive books to clear your concepts in physics. Here in this video, I'm sharing the list of books I love and suggest you to read at different stages of their lives. 1. Concepts of Physics by H.C. Verma. This book is my personal all-time favorite. It is the best book to club with your regular physics books when you are in high school, class 11th 12th. Links to all these books are given in the description. 2. Feynman Lecture Series by Richard Feynman. In my opinion, this is one of the gem books of all times. This series of books are in fact the lectures delivered to the undergraduate students at Caltech during 1961 to 1963 by Nobel laureate physicist Richard Feynman. Luckily, the fundamentals of basic physics have not changed much, and the books are still relevant to us. Famous author H.C. Verma also praised the lectures of Richard Feynman in his book mentioned above. These books will teach you to solve problems only by imagining things, look at different physics topics and unify them like one because the background mathematics is the same. Read the Feynman lectures, all 3 volumes, on physics whenever you get some time out of your regular studies. 3. Books by David J. Griffith is one of the finest physics literature. His books on quantum mechanics, electrodynamics and elementary particle physics are the best in their zones. His teaching style is similar to Feynman and some parts of his books seem inspired from Feynman lecture series. Get some time to read these books to learn these advanced topics. 4. Play with Graphs by Amit M. Agarwal. The art of plotting and understanding the nature of a data is very important. I feel happy when I plot or imagine some data graphically and reach to the solution of a problem faster than others. I would recommend you to read it immediately. It doesn't matter at what level you are now. 5. I personally love to teach mathematical physics. Mathematical physics book written by H.K. Das is a good book, covering all major topics, but somewhere it covers more math than physics. Mathematical Physics by A.K. Ghatak et.al. covers the physics behind differential equations, which is very rare to find in this conceptualized manner. 6. For the latest knowledge on research and technological developments related to the core physics, I read books written by Michio Kaku. Once I read this book, Physics of the Impossible, and planning to read Physics of the Future. Found these books very useful in this regard. 7. Can you visualize electronics, as it is not an easy task? This book Basic Electronics and Linear Circuits by N. Bhargava et al. is one of the best seed to be sown to learn this subject. Links to all these books are given in the description. Other important books are also mentioned in the description. Hope you like this. Please don't forget to share this with your studious friends.